This is NDTV, and you're watching Classics.
Good morning. We are the residents of Delhi's Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit and will follow her through the day as she campaigns. At the moment, at 8 in the morning, she's getting ready after her yoga session and has promised to meet us for breakfast. Good morning. Healthy breakfast?
Well, wealthy.
Is this your fitness mantra? Is this your fitness mantra?
I don't know.
No, she never drank the milk. If she paid me for it, I drank hers. Because I love milk.
Does she have milk now?
I just love milk.
She is the one who loves the milk. Either I paid her or put it into the nali wherever I could.
When did you think you would become the Chief Minister? Did you ever think you would become the Chief Minister
Never.
as a child?
Oh my God, no. Nowhere near it.
Did you plan to join politics?
No, not at all.
What did you want to do?
I just wanted to have, no particular.
So how was college in Delhi?
College is perhaps one of the nicest period of one's life, Carefree, all fun, no responsibility except an exam. Namaskar ji.
Nobody followed her around?
Not really.
Admirers?
No.
No whistlers, hangers on.
They were just hanging on and
That's about all.
nobody bullied you.
But admirers? I'm sure you had lots.
Well, none of us can claim that.
So what's your the favorite memories?
Freedom without much responsibility, just sheer joy, simple joys of eating a kachi ambi or,
Any songs that you remember as your favorites?
Yes, so many of them,
Doris Day ki, I think
Ke Sara Sara.
Whatever
What will be?
will be. The future is not ours to see. Ke Sara Sara. Remember, Didi?
Did she like to sing?
Yeah.
What song?
No, we all used to sing, and
song?
especially when we were traveling, say, in the car, then we used to just go on singing.
Which songs?
Old MacDonald had E-I-E-I-O.
What's the plan for the day?
Today is a bit of a heavy day. I'm going just now to the constituency, right? I'll be going around there.
Have a yatra.
Yatra, and then can I have some salt? No, I want that. Can I have some salt, Pam?
Ali?
Then I go from 3 o'clock onwards, about 6, 7 public meetings.
Okay.
Somebody's going to accompany me today?
Yes,
from
I
now?
will follow you through the day.
Oh, good. जी नमस्कार चलिए आप आगे चलिए
पूर्ण क्षेत्र पूर्ण प्रदेश जमुनादियाम पश्चिम क्षेत्र दिल्ली नाम प्रतिष्ठान नई दिल्ली विधानसभा क्षेत्र नाम स्थान क्षेत्र वर्तमान संवत्सरे 2065 संवत्सरे प्लवनाम संवत्सरे मासानाम मासोत में हम हनुमते नमो नमः हनुमान जी महाराज की जय 29 तारीख का दिन होगा.
First, it's around the whole constituency of New Delhi in this open jeep. She's trying to cover as much distance as possible.
हम ये जानते हैं विजय आपकी होगी इन एनी हाउ.
आप लोगों को जो 6 पैक मिशन को कार्यान्वित किया है उससे कितना बड़ा बदलाव आया है कि कभी इतिहास में 21% बढ़ोतरी किसी सरकारी कर्मचारी की नहीं हुई थी. ताली बजाइए. तगड़ी हूँ मैं।
लड्डू पूरे हैं।
लड्डू पूरे होने चाहिए। क्या हो गया?
60 किलो लड्डू है जी, 54 किलो हो गए।
तोल के दिखाओ।
It's 1 in the afternoon and she's back home for a very short break for lunch. Public meeting in Deoli, 6 o'clock. Hansa Chowk, 6:30. And the list goes on and on. So she really has a very, very packed program for the day.
वोट किसको करोगे आप? आप पर लगेगी मोहर।
While in her own constituency she was weighed with laddus, here in this extremely congested area of Old Delhi, she's being weighed with coins. Of course, we are traveling on the BRT.
Yeah.
A lot of controversies about the BRT. What do you think as an afterthought? Was it a mistake or this is something that...
No, I would not call it a mistake at all. It is something for the future. I want to ask one little question. BRT is only 5 kilometers out of the 500 odd kilometers of roads that we have in Delhi. Are there no traffic jams anywhere?
काम के वर्दंत को कैसा जियाला कर दिया और शीला जी ने देखो जमाने में उजाला कर दिया। ताली तो बजाएं आप लोग। और हमारे मुख्यमंत्री जी का कहना है नफरतें मिटाएंगे, अभी नफरतें मिटाएंगे और दिल से दिल मिलाएंगे।
It's now 6:30. We've been traveling with you through the day. We are tired watching you. How do you manage?
Well, I have a mission to perform, so therefore I think I manage it without feeling anything.
Today, looking at Delhi, how different is it from the Delhi that you saw when you were growing up?
Oh, it's very different. It's much, I don't know, probably 10 times larger than it was at that point of time.
ये आपके विकास के लिए की जाती है.
The basic issues in each of these meetings are the same, but according to the voters whom she addresses, she makes the modifications. Would you ever retire?
Of course, I'd love to.
Would you retire from politics, if I would put it?
Yes, I'm sure I would like to. Sometime, a point of time, certainly. Sometimes wonder. First, I'd like to read. I also look back on my life sometimes and say, all right, should I pen it down, should I not? Or perhaps just leave a diary behind of the times that have been.
Some rapid fire questions. What's your favorite pastime?
Reading.
Music?
Depends on my mood, classical or based on classical music.
What's the kind of song that comes to your mind?
Hum honge kamyab. It's as simple as all that, but that's the one.
Not Saath Hi Haath Badhana?
No.
Not Ke Sara Sara?
Yes. My sister was mentioning it this morning, Ke Sara Sara, but I would rather, at the moment I'd concentrate, Hum honge kamyab.
You had once sung for us, Dil Hai Chhota Sa.
Choti Si Asha. That was such a lovely song, no?
Why did you sing it for us?
No, I don't remember. My throat is totally gone.
Not really.
No,
Much better than most of the politicians. I'll sing with you.
Na 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 na.
Dil hai chhota sa, choti si asha, masti bhare man ki
lali si asha,
La 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 la.
It's nearly 11 at night and the Chief Minister is finally back home. And she tells us that she will continue campaigning at the same pace for the next few days. With camera person Ashok Mahale, Anusya Roy for NDTV.